We have 3 models for you.
T108 is the model with the most grids, meeting your management needs for various tools. T108 is 2 meter high, 1.45 meter wide, half meter deep, 12 rows, 9 clumps, 108 grids in total. The size of the single grid is 12 cm wide, 12 cm high, and 40 cm deep. T100 is 2 meter high, 1.45 meter wide, half meter deep. T100 has 96 smaller grids. These grids are 50 cm wide, 9 cm high, 40 cm deep. Size of 4 larger grids in the bottom is 33.9 cm wide, 22.8 cm high. T57 has 57 grids in total. The size of 54 grids are 22 cm wide, 13 cm high, 40 cm deep. 3 larger grids at the bottom are 48 cm wide, 14 cm high, 40 cm deep.
Smart Bbox offers many solutions for CNC tool management. Feel free to consult us at any time.